Hello dear students, welcome to Vidyakulam Education Center. In the previous class, we learned about the basic information of mathematics regarding the important symbol like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We also understood the basic terminology like unit digit etc. In today's class, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will be told from the beginning. So if you are starting to learn math, this video is surely helpful for you. So let's start. First, let's see the addition. So student, now tell me what is addition? You know that addition means to come more. Suppose you have two sketches. One sketches has given by your brother. Now, how many sketches do you have? Your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. So, this is called addition. Now, let's move on to our question. Addition will always starting from right hand to left hand. It means that first we will add 2 to 5 and after that 3 to 2, after that 5 to 3 and the last one is 2 to 4. So first of all we will add 2 to 5. Then how to add? First we will draw 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to add 2 more, then draw 2 more line. Now count them all together. It's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it's done 7. So here we will write 5 and 2 will be 7. Okay. Now we want to add 3 to 2. What is our step? So first draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. Next one is 3 more line. 1, 2 and 3. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we will write 5. Okay. Now we want to add 5 to 3. Similarly, so first we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Then draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and counted at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here we will write 8. Okay. The last one is 2 to 4. So first we will draw 4 lines. 4 lines means 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that 2 more lines. 1, 2. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we will write 6. So in this way we can easily do any addition. Now let's move on subtraction. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means to decrease. Suppose if you have 3 sketches, your little brother took 1 sketches. Now tell me how many sketches you have. You told me, sir, I have only 2 sketches. This is called subtraction. Now let's see how to solve the question of subtraction. Subtract 1 to 3. So we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. And reduce 1 because of 1 subtract to 3. So 1 remove or cut them. Count them all together. 1 and 2. Here we will write 2. Similarly, subtract 2 to 5. First of all, we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, remove or reduce 2 lines. 1, 2. Count them. 1, 2 and 3. So here we will write 3. Okay. Now the last one is subtract 4 to 6. First we will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And cut 4 line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Count them. 1, 2. Here we will write 2. In this way we can easily solve the subtraction problem. Now let's talk about multiplication and division. Before solving the question of multiplication and division, you will have to memorize table up to at least 9. This is the table. This is the actually product of 1 to 10 is called table. You will have to learn the table of 2 to 9. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. Similarly 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 2 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. Take a screenshot and learn it. Now we will start the question of multiplication. Multiplication is always given right to left, right to left. So first we will multiply 2 to 4. So 2 4 ja, what is 2 4 ja? 2 4 ja means 8. 2 4 ja means 8. So 2 4 ja 8. Now the next one is 2 multiplied with 1. So 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja means 2. So here we will write 2. Now multiply 2 with 3. So 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. Now the last one is 2 multiply with 2. 2 ja is 2 2 ja is 4. Now the procedure of division, this place is called what? So here this place is called divisor. This place is called divisor, and this place is called dividend. This place is called dividend, and this place is called quotient. This place is called quotient, and this place is called remainder. Okay, the same number of digit is taken here as well as here, but if the number here is smaller than the divisor, then move forward one digit on this side. Okay, now read the table of 5. To not exceed the 36 and just close to it, 5 7 ja 35, but 5 8 ja 40. You saw it went 7 times. It went 7 times because in 8 times it becomes more. So 7 right here. And what comes after multiplying? 5 7 ja 35. So 35 is written here, and simply subtract it. First we will draw 6 line, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 5 cut them, 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer will be 1. So here we will write 1. And if we subtract 3 to 3, 1 2 3, cut 3 them, no line means 0. Okay, now the next step is move forward and bring down the next digit. Again similarly read the table of 5 so that it does not go more than this. Now how many times it has gone? See, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. See, 5 3 ja 15 is more than 12. So it will gone 2 times. Then 2 write here, and the product of them will be written here, and subtract it as usual. So the quotient is 72 and the remainder is 2. Dear student, we will understand the question of division in more detail in the next class, where division of large number will also be taught. Okay, so student, if you all have learned something, then definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more update. You all stay healthy, be happy and keep studying. Thanks for watching guys.